Welcome to the vibrant subcontinent of India, a land teeming with life in its many forms. Join us as we journey into the heart of India's wilderness to uncover some of its most extraordinary inhabitants' endemic species. These remarkable creatures, found nowhere else on Earth, represent the incredible biodiversity that makes India so special. From the towering Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats, we'll encounter animals uniquely adapted to their environments, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. High in the mist-shrouded peaks of the Western Ghats reigns the Nilgiri tahr, a majestic mountain goat found nowhere else on Earth. Their powerful legs and specialized hooves allow them to navigate the steep, rocky terrain with astonishing agility. These herbivores graze on the slopes, their presence a vital part of the ecosystem. But life here is a constant challenge. The tahr must always be on guard, for danger lurks in the form of leopards and other predators. To survive, they rely on their incredible senses and remarkable agility. The Nilgiri tahr, a symbol of the Western Ghats, reminds us of the resilience and adaptability of life in even the most challenging environments. Deep within the rainforests of the Western Ghats lives an enigmatic primate with a flowing silver mane, the lion-tailed macaque. These highly social animals live in troops, their calls echoing through the canopy. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, leaves and insects, making them important seed dispersers in the forest. But the lion-tailed macaque faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment has pushed them to the brink. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique primates and their dwindling habitat. The fate of the lion-tailed macaque hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the fragility of life in the face of human impact. In the tall grasslands of Assam, a miniature marvel roams the pygmy hog, the smallest and rarest wild pig in the world. These tiny creatures, barely a foot tall, live in small family groups, foraging for roots, insects, and small creatures. Their survival depends on the health of the grasslands, a habitat increasingly threatened by human activity. Once widespread, the pygmy hog now clings to existence in a few fragmented pockets. But hope remains. Conservation breeding programs and habitat restoration efforts are giving this tiny titan a fighting chance. The pygmy hog's story is a testament to the importance of protecting even the smallest and most vulnerable species. Our journey takes us to the remote Andaman Islands, home to a unique subspecies of wild boar, the Andaman wild boar. Isolated for millennia, these boars have developed distinct characteristics, smaller in size and with a darker coat than their mainland cousins. They play a crucial role in the island ecosystem, their foraging habits helping to disperse seeds and maintain the forest floor. But the Andaman wild boar faces growing threats from habitat loss and introduced diseases. Protecting their remaining habitat and understanding the impact of human activity are crucial to ensuring their survival. The Andaman wild boar, a symbol of island evolution, reminds us of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving biodiversity in all its forms. In the breathtaking landscapes of Jammu and Kashmir, a critically endangered deer fights for survival, the Kashmir stag, also known as the hangul. These magnificent creatures, with their impressive antlers, were once a common sight in the region, but habitat loss, poaching and conflict with humans have decimated their numbers. Today, only a few hundred individuals remain, clinging to existence in the dense riverine forests. The plight of the Kashmir stag is a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on wildlife. Intensive conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining population and restore their habitat. The future of the Kashmir stag hangs in the balance, a symbol of the urgent need for conservation action. Our next destination is the sun-drenched Nicobar Islands, where we encounter a bird with a peculiar habit, the Nicobar megapode. Unlike most birds, megapodes do not incubate their eggs by sitting on them. Instead, they construct massive mounds of sand and vegetation, relying on the heat generated by decomposition to incubate their eggs. These mounds, towering over a meter high, are a testament to the megapode's unique breeding strategy. The Nicobar megapode, found only on these islands, faces threats from habitat loss and human disturbance. Protecting their nesting sites and raising awareness about their unique life cycle are crucial to ensuring their survival. The Nicobar megapode, a master architect of the natural world, reminds us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. In the heart of India, a small owl with piercing yellow eyes tells a story of resilience and rediscovery. The forest owlet. Once thought extinct, this elusive bird was rediscovered in 1997, sparking a wave of excitement among conservationists. The forest owlet's story is a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even in the face of adversity, species can rebound with dedicated conservation efforts. Protecting their remaining habitat and mitigating threats from deforestation and human disturbance are crucial to ensuring their continued survival. The forest owlet, a symbol of hope for endangered species, reminds us that it's never too late to make a difference. Our journey takes us to the remote and biodiverse state of Arunachal Pradesh, home to a bird discovered as recently as 2006, the Bougainvillea. This striking bird, with its vibrant plumage and melodious calls, is a testament to the unexplored wonders that still exist in the world. The Bougainvillea's discovery highlights the importance of scientific exploration and the need to protect Earth's remaining wilderness areas. Habitat loss and fragmentation pose significant threats to this newly discovered species. Conservation efforts are focused on understanding its ecology and raising awareness about its importance. The Bougainvillea, a symbol of the unknown, reminds us that there is still much to learn about the natural world and the importance of protecting its secrets. High in the shola forests of the Western Ghats, a shy and elusive bird makes its home, the white-bellied shortwing. These small, ground-dwelling birds are rarely seen, their presence often betrayed by their melodious calls. The white-bellied shortwing's survival depends on the health of the shola forests, a unique and threatened habitat. Climate change and human encroachment are putting pressure on these fragile ecosystems. Protecting the shola forests and understanding the impact of human activities are crucial to ensuring the survival of this elusive songster. The white-bellied shortwing, a symbol of the shola ecosystem, reminds us of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving biodiversity at all levels. Our final journey takes us to the towering Himalayas, where a bird shrouded in mystery may or may not still exist, the Himalayan quail. Last seen in 1876, this elusive bird has become a symbol of the unknown and the vastness of the Himalayas. Despite numerous expeditions, the Himalayan quail has not been definitively sighted in over a century. While it is possibly extinct, hope remains that a small population may still persist in the remote, unexplored reaches of the mountains. The Himalayan quail's story serves as a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of protecting Earth's last wild places. Whether or not it still exists, the Himalayan quail will forever hold a place in our imagination, a symbol of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the natural world. As we've witnessed, India is a treasure trove of endemic species, each one a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. However, the survival of these unique creatures hangs in the balance. Habitat destruction, climate change, and human activities are pushing many of them towards the brink. But there is hope. Conservation efforts, including the establishment of protected areas, biosphere reserves, and species-specific recovery programs, are offering a lifeline to these endangered species. The future of India's endemic species lies in our hands. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive for generations to come.